Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to almost blue sky. Look at this, we're in the south tip of the An Thuong area. And we're gonna take a little stroll to my favorite coffee shop and see how it goes here. So here, this is, I think I would say now the An Thuong area starts from here. But we're also gonna take a little detour here to the left. It's very tough to walk over here because it's no walkway. You can walk there, but we want to go here to the left. Let's check out one brunch spot. Lots of you also told me to review. I've been there and they have very good Eggs Benedict. This place, Pune. Eggs Benedict is very good. They say they have the best coffee. I don't agree. I actually do not like the coffee at all. But the food is phenomenal. But as maybe you know, I don't drink normal coffee. I like rocket fuel coffee. I like very strong Vietnamese coffee that gets you a little bit of a heart attack. So do not listen to me when it comes to coffee, just to begin with. What's going on here? Some construction. This is also a very popular area to live in. But now, since they're building, sawing, they're cutting down those wires with this machinery. Not sure what they're doing here. Huh. Maybe they're gonna build something here soon. It's a nice Porsche. And here is actually an Indian vegan restaurant. An Indian vegan restaurant that is mentioned in the Michelin guide. Lots of apartment buildings here. It's kind of a calm area here. I think one friend of mine lives here. You get $4 foot massages here. This looks like fancy. I think they just renovated this. Ooh, looks very nice inside. So this place is Michelin recommended. Forma Mumtaz, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So this here is the back street of the, what is it called? The beer and nightlife area, with the most bars here in the An Thuong area. So you can see here lots of bars, restaurants. Ooh, this is nice. This is new. This is new. That's a bakery. Okay, I'm down for bakeries. They sell bread. Some kind of, what is this? Huh. Interesting. Some bread, some bakery. What's going on here? Wood decor. And I think this is a brand new spot here. Huh. I don't know what, it's a hookah lounge maybe. Interesting. And you have Fune Sushi. This whole place burned down and they built it up in 3 weeks again. Crazy. And now it's like very strong. Alright. Lots of things changing here all the time. We are the crossroads here, where here's the corner bar. Bello Wood Pizza. Lots of different ones here. And this is a pretty nice street decoration here. Look at this. Here's Tom's Bar. Looks pretty nice here. Bagel Danny. So there's a bagel shop. And Brother Grimm's. This is a German brewery. Good beer, I tried it. German owner. So, legit. This is a taco place. Now we're just here in the An Thuong 6. This is like a whole living complex, but it looks pretty much hood but it's not hood because it's not dangerous. But it looks very ramped up. They should maybe have a little bit of a painting, I think. Well, maybe they don't care. Yeah. I don't know who lives there actually, but someone does. Usually, sometimes those buildings, I saw this in Hanoi often, they look like ruins, and then inside they're all brand new and all nice inside. So, so here we are at the corner with Kong Coffee Shop. Also a very, very, very popular coffee shop chain in whole Vietnam. I think they started out in Hanoi, if I'm not wrong. And they've even made it to Canada, if I'm not wrong. Do you have Kong coffee in Canada? Please comment below. The Outpost Hostel, straight ahead. Now we're gonna make ourselves all the way to my coffee shop. I feel like I wanna have another one. At the moment, so today it was like 50-50 in the morning, it was wet on the floor, and then it actually dried up and the sun actually came out now. We have a blue sky, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Whew. It's actually even hot now. I'm sweating, I'm walking around like a maniac. Yeah, it's beautiful, I like it. If this is every day like that, I'm fine with rainy season. Phenomenal. Very popular intersection here. Banh mi. But we want to go to the good coffee. Let's go have a cookie. I feel like having a cookie. Let's have a cookie. We're gonna go to Bordeaux Bakery, which is pretty good. I think the intense chocolate cookie is very good. And also their bagels. I like their bagels. This is where we wanna go. Hello. Ooh, sorry. Alright, so these are the good bagels, but we want to have. Can I have one intense chocolate cookie, please? We want to have this one. Nice. I only have 500. Is this okay? Thank you. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.